Tu, tum, aap. This all can be very confusing. There are three U's in Urdu and Hindi. There are three U's according to the level of formality, according to whoever you're speaking to. The first one is tu, which is you, least formal form, and this will end with hai, tu, hai. This is the one that you would use with someone you're very intimate with, a very, very close friend, a childhood friend maybe, or someone like your lover, or God. But it is very complicated. The usage is quite tricky because it's used to insult someone as well. It is used in a derogatory manner, in a road rage or a fight or accident where you want to exert dominance. If you're talking to your very, very close friend, you'll say, Tu kaisa hai? Tu kaisa hai? Or tu kaisi hai? The third one is tum, ending with ho. Tum is you, ho is are. You are. Tum kaise ho? Tum kaise ho? Tum kahan ho? This is the informal one. This is the casual one. This is semi-formal. So this is something you would use with your friends, someone you have a good relationship with, someone who is younger than you, example, sister, brother, a friend. This is the one that you can use with your girlfriend or wife, or your boyfriend or husband. Also, it's very subjective, depends on your own relationship with that person. The third one is aap, ending with hai. Aap kaise hain? Aap kaise hain? How are you? This is the formal one. This is the respectful one. Someone you want to respect, someone you would like to dress with respectfulness or formality, like your father-in-law, sister-in-law, or a stranger, anybody who's older than you. This is the one I would advise you to use if you are not sure which one to use. There's a fourth construction that you might have heard. If a person is of the same age, but he or she is a stranger, you would start with aap, respectful, and end it with ho. Aap kya kar rahi ho? Aap kya kar rahi ho? Aap kahan rehti ho? Aap kahan rehti ho? This is like a middle one. You want to be friendly, but you don't want to be disrespectful. Kaisi ho? Let me know if you have any confusion and if you want to learn it in detail, because this all can be very, very confusing. I have made a detailed video. The link is in the description box. Have a nice day. Goodbye.